Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam corrupt disk error. The Steam corrupt disk error occurs when Steam detects damaged games files or encounters a problem writing data to the storage device. To fix the problem, firstly you need to restart your computer. Open your Windows. Here you need to select this power icon and select restart. Then after that what you need to do is open your Steam app. And from here in the top left there's this theme. Click onto this theme and select setting again. Over here from the setting, you need to go to this download. From the download here, scroll a bit down until you find this clear download cache and select this clear cache as well. And Steam will restart and you will need to sign in again. For the next is you can go to this library here, and here you need to right click the affected games and click verify integrity if that game displays on your interface, and Steam will replace any missing corrupted files automatically. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.